So welcome to the next episode of OSPA's One-on-One. This is the Vedanta series that we are doing. And the idea behind this series is an inspirational thought by Lieutenant Colonel Himani Thaplial. And we discussed and we wanted to introduce and give the opportunity to the middle level security professionals that we have in the industry who do not come from the army or the police background and still have chosen security as their profession. In this series, we are talking to few very smart and outgoing and fantastic women security officers. And today, in the second of this Vedanta series on OSPA's One-on-One, we have Ayushi Jha. Ayushi is working with Vedanta Immunium Limited as the Junior Security Officer. So Ayushi, you are most welcome, and we are delighted to have you on the show. Please, very quickly introduce yourself. What do you do, and what's your profile?
Thank you so much, sir, for a brief introduction about me. And okay, so I am Ayushi Jha, a mechanical engineer of 2019 batch from Government Engineering College, Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. And I'm planning to pursue my master's MTech in quality management from BITS Pilani. And I have done training in diploma in security and intelligence from Chandigarh, which was a tenure period of 3 months. And currently, I'm looking after the special economic zone as a security in charge.
Thank you so much, Ayushi. This was very interesting. लेकिन ये एक बात जो हमारी समझ में नहीं आई वो ये कि आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं और आप एमटेक परस्यू करना चाहती हैं, तो सिक्योरिटी एज ए प्रोफेशन, ऐसी क्या बात आपको लगी जो सिक्योरिटी एज ए प्रोफेशन आपने चुना?
सर, अगर देखा जाए, जैसे ये बहुत फैसिनेटिंग है, ये बहुत काफ़ी फैसिनेटिंग है। फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी जैसे कोविड का ही मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बता सकती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ एक थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग डिवाइस लगा हुआ है, जो हमारा एक्सेस कंट्रोल है, जहाँ से हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मैन पावर जो एंट्री होती है, उसके लिए हमारे यहाँ एक थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग डिवाइस लगा है, जिसका प्रिंसिपल रेडिएशन है। रेडिएशन जो कि HMT एक हमारे मैकेनिकल का सब्जेक्ट होता है, हीट एंड मास ट्रांसफर, उसके एक प्रिंसिपल होते हैं रेडिएशन, उसके बेसिस पे है। सो सर, अब सिक्योरिटी क्या होता था ना, मतलब जैसा हमें लगता था कि सिक्योरिटी जो है वो सिर्फ गेट्स और गार्ड्स तक ही लिमिट है, बट ऐसा नहीं है। जब हमारी ट्रेनिंग हुई चंडीगढ़ में 3 महीने की, फिर हमें पता चला कि नहीं, ये तो पूरे की गीगाबाइट है, ये कि मतलब इस पे और भी है, इसके अंदर ये है। फिर हम बेसिकली क्या है ना सर, जैसे जो अभी मैं एमटेक परस्यू करने का जो मेरा प्लानिंग है, जो कि बिट्स पिलानी से एज एन क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट में, उसमें हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट आता है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। सर, जैसा मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगी, यहाँ पे हम लोग जैसे हमारे LSGs रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं, लेडी सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स, सर वो भी एक उसके अंडर आया ना, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स के अंदर। तो मेरा मतलब जो जो जितना मुझे समझ में आता है कि जो भी हमारी नॉलेज है, जो हमने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में 4 साल वहाँ यूज की है, वो हम यहाँ एज एन सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशनल उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं।
Wonderful. आपने एक you have given this explanation exactly like an engineer should give a full explanation what you're doing. Thank you so much for this. Ayushi, in an industrial setup, it is generally presumed, or it's kind of a unsaid rule or a norm that only men can perform, especially the security duties. But what do you have you work under a very dynamic women boss, and you're a girl yourself. What is your take on this?
For this question, I would also like to ask a question from all the people. I mean, those who think like this. Does a book knows that who is reading that particular book? Does that book knows that whether a girl is reading that book or whether a boy is reading that book? Does a machine knows that who is operating that particular machine? Whether a man is operating that machine or whether a woman is operating that machine? It particularly depends upon the skill and competency of that particular person. What kind of training he or she has undergone during his training period, right? His or her training period. That that thing implements, or I can say that thing ensures that whether that particular machine will work properly or not, right? And talking about security, it is a preconceived notion, or I should say it's a prejudice. Like, people think that when it comes to this stakeholder engagement, then people generally think that it might be possible that women might not be able to handle properly the stakeholder engagement, or whether it is about mob gatherings likewise, right? But I can tell you that when it comes situation like these things, I can say that it's my personal experience of 1.5 years in Vedanta. If a woman handles those situations with a, I should say, with proper training, then they can handle those situations very well. I have seen that.
So that was quite confident response that you have given. Now, keeping this thought in mind, and you should. You were saying, and I am a firm believer as well, that women can do equally perform the security duties. In fact, all of them as men can do. What is it that, as an organization, Vedanta is doing about it, and what role do you play? Do you, as a security function, do you have something where you address gender diversity? Is there a plan that you have for this?
Yes, sir. Basically, currently we are working on a gender diversity plan in particularly in Vedanta domain. So what we are planning to do right now is we are recruiting. We are not only recruiting. Basically, we are not only focusing on the quantity. We are focusing on the quality, right? So what we are doing, we have just divided the particular section, like whether they are coachable or not. I mean, for suppose, likewise in human resource, right? When we recruit someone, so during the recruitment, what we try to analyze, that whether the person, it doesn't matter, like whether I, for suppose I don't know how to add 2 plus 2, right? It doesn't matter. A student of class 2 doesn't knows that how to do addition or subtraction. But what we try to do is, as a teacher, what we try to do is whether that particular student is coachable or not, whether we can teach, after teaching him, whether he or she will be able to perform that particular operation or not. So what we are doing right now is we are just trying to analyze that if we are recruiting someone, then whether she, the girl, will be able to perform the duties at gate or not. We are not only focusing on the quantity, we are also focusing on the quality as well. And currently, as in plan, we are focusing. We are, I think, we are recruiting 95 lady security guards who will perform all the operations, whether it is about data entry or in gates, etc. Each and everything.
So, uh, so in this, so you said that 95 women you are recruiting. How much percentage that would be in the total power that you have?
So it will consist of 30%.
30%. And what is Ayushi Jha's contribution in this plan?
So starting from the recruitment, I have made the entire chart plan, right? That how much women will be required. Likewise, I am a security officer of Vedanta Jharsuguda. So in Vedanta Jharsuguda, we have 5 particular different sections. For example, plant 1, plant 2, CPP, TPP, main gate, everything, right? So here, what I did first, I just I just made a table that how many women we generally need, we require in each particular section. So the entire table was made. We started recruiting, we started talking to the vendors, we proposed all kind of POs, we raised the POs, we talked to different people, we started recruiting also, we started taking the interviews, and the process is still continuously going on. I think we have recruited we have interviewed around 70 LSGs, 70 girls who came for the interview, and and still it is on the process, still it is going on.
You guys are doing a wonderful job, and this could be one of the cities in the industrial security sector, I'm sure. And I would like to invite you to, if you can share a paper on this with the permission of your management, and we'll be able, from the OSPA's platform, we'll be, you know, will be encouraged and delighted to publish it under the OSPA's and it could become a case study.
Sure,
So
sir.
if you can do that, I'll be very happy.
Sure, sir. Sure.
तो ये सारी जो आपने अपना डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया as an engineer and you want to pursue post graduation and then you are working on the gender diversity plan in such a large industrial setup and you are enjoying the security duties that you are doing. तो जब आप ड्यूटी पे नहीं होती हैं, इतना मुश्किल काम नहीं कर रही होती हैं, तो आप क्या करती हैं?
हाँ सर, ऐसे मतलब मुझे चेस खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बैडमिंटन खेलना बहुत पसंद है और ऐसे पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। अपनी कोर्स की जो बुक्स होती है, जनरली मैकेनिकल की बुक्स, वो सब मुझे पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है और स्पेशली चेस खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो जब भी मुझे थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा कुछ टाइम मिले तो मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं उनके साथ में चेस खेलना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ।
Okay, very interesting. Ayushi, this is an opportunity for you to give a message to the audience and to the viewers. As you are aware that OSPAS, which is the Outstanding Security Performance Awards, is a UK-based organization. It is a UK-based award, and it is a global platform. So on this global platform, what is that one message that you want to give to the audience?
I just want to say, follow your passion. Follow your passion, stay patient and trust your journey, always. It doesn't matter, always follow your instinct and follow your passion. Because one thing I'm just 23 years old and whatever experience I've got in my 23 years of experience, I can say just one thing. अगर खुद से नहीं हारे तो जीत पक्की है.
Very well said, Ayushi. Very well said, and it's a complete delight and honor for me to speak to you today. And I hope we will have more of you going forward. I wish you a lot of good luck, good wishes for your future. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this platform as well. Thank you so much.
So we just saw Ayushi Jha from Vedanta Aluminium Limited and how a mechanical engineer has chosen security as her profession, and she's working in such large industrial setup on gender diversity. Kudos to the organization, kudos to Himani, whose initiative is this. With this, we thank all of you, and next episode we will come with another women security officer working in the Vedanta Aluminium Limited. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you so much.